Hurry to buy full version with a discount. Your friends are hungry. Let's make a pizza for them. Put the necessary items into the basket. Olive oil. Nope, not quite. Perfect. A mandarin. Right. A lemon. Well done. Basil. Correct. Halfway through. Olives. You're doing great. A shrimp. Right. Cheese. Well done. You've collected all the ingredients. Now, let's prepare the ingredients. Let's peel the shrimp. Tear off all the leaves. Let's cut it good. We need to grate this. Great! The ingredients are ready. Let's prepare some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is ready. Let's make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for toppings. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Just a little left. Hurrah! The pizza's ready. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. Pedal to the metal. Watch out! Squirrels ahead. Watch out! A snowdrift ahead. Watch out! There's a gap ahead. We need to build a bridge. Watch out! Cones ahead. Hurrah! We've arrived. Let's feed our friends. Cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Well done! Everyone's full and happy. Tap hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients. Hurry to buy full version with a